What if my lips would never kiss you?